Hello guys, I'm Nick from MPGServers.com, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to upload, install, and delete plugins to your Minecraft server. So, the first method I'm going to show you is the bucket method. If you click on Bucket Plugins, you can search for a bunch of different plugins here. You can search for basically a good amount of them are in here, but some are not. So, for example, let's just go with no swear. Let's say, you don't want any swearing on your server. You can click install. It'll install the plugin to your server. Then you just reload the server or restart it, and it'll install the plugin. And then to remove it, all you have to do is click remove. Or if you still want it, but you don't want it running, you can click disable. Now, let's say you have it already on here and you don't want to go searching for it again, or you just forget the name of it, or you want to check what you currently have installed. You can go on the bucket and you can click on currently installed. You can see, oh, no swear, I don't want that anymore. I want people to be able to swear. And then you can just click remove. Now, another way you can do it is if you go back to your server, you can click on files. You can click on FTP access, log in. You can click plugins. Now you have to make sure you're in the plugins or this won't install correctly. So you want to go to upload. Now let's say it wasn't on there, like on the bucket side, or it wasn't working properly. So you go here, you like search for a plugin on Google or YouTube or something like that, and I say, hey, I want to get Bow Spleef. You can download it, and right here, you can click download. I actually already have it on my desktop right here, so I'm just going to discard it for now. But you can just drag it onto your desktop, and then you can go back to here. You can click choose file. Go to the right directory. I always go on desktop because it's right here. So I can type in Bow Spleef, click on that, open, and submit it. And as long as it says file bowspleef.jar is okay, then you're good. And you can click back. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see Bow Spleef right here. So now what we can do is we can go back, and let's actually start it, just so you can see this. Now, we're going to wait for it to start. We'll go into console for now. The server will start in 10 seconds. We wait. And once it is up and running, then we will click on File. We click on FTP Access, log in, and go to Plugins. And you will now see that it actually should have a folder. Some don't, but most plugins do have like a configuration folder, as you can see. Now, what you can do here is if you don't want it, you could just delete the jar itself, and that'll delete the plugin while leaving the configs and stuff there. But if you want the configs either, you can just do that and click delete. And that's another way to delete it off your server if you manually uploaded it. Or for some reason it's not deleting when you use the bucket. Now a third way is if you use a program called FileZilla. You can go here, you can open up FileZilla, and you can use your username and your host IP. Copy that, put that in here, paste it, and then enter your password, and hit enter. And now you can see if you scroll down, I typically scroll down all the way, or hold on. First, you need to go into plugins, just like in the FTP directory, and we're going to want to scroll. I usually scroll all the way down. And then you want to scroll down to where your plugin is, so Bow Spleef. And I typically scroll down all the way because there's this little white space, and if you drop it right there, it guarantees that it won't go in like some sort of random folder by accident. So then you would restart your, once you see it here, you'd restart your server or reload it, and then you can run it and use it. And then while you can also go back into here and then do the same process, do plugins, and then see it down here, and just delete it this way, you can also use FTP to just right click on it and delete it. So that's how you upload, delete, or install plugins using Bucket on your server. Thank you for watching, guys. Again, my name is Nick. I'm from MPGServers.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and come check out our website. See you guys.